5+3. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while. I was going through a lot, like a lot. I don't want to bore y'all or sadden y'all with all the details, so just know I'm back in full effect. Imani Marie is back. With all the stuff that I was going through, I did lose some equipment and stuff, so I really, you know, I'm gonna get everything back eventually, but I'm gonna make do with what I have right now. But I did want to continue back with my YouTube channel, so that's what I'm doing. I'm back with a video or whatever, and because of what I am recording off of now and all of that, I'm not going to be able to like record it how I usually do. This video will probably be like more of a voiceover. I took the initiative, or the opportunity, shall I say, to do wig installs on a dance team in my hometown, and I just wanted to basically do a hair review, you know, and an install review after it's done on every girl, to just let y'all know how this hair is. So like I said, this video is going to be a voiceover, so yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. So this is the wigs that I'm doing. I'm doing about 10 wigs from this hair company on Amazon, and it says wake your own beauty up, and they had gotten a 16-inch loose deep wave lace front, and this is how that wig looks. So far so good, y'all. I haven't really worked with it yet. I'm about to bleach the knots on them. As y'all can see, it didn't really come bleached. The knots did not come bleached. So I'm about to bleach the knots on at least 4 of these today, and the others tomorrow, because I have things to do. It's the weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna put the bleaching stuff on lace, you know, traditional bleaching knot stuff, and I will be right back with y'all. One thing I did notice when I took the hair out the box, it had a very like weird smell, a smell that probably I'm sure can go away, but it definitely had a strong processed smell. I don't know if Wake Your Own Beauty Up is the name of the company or it's their slogan. I'm not really sure, but I do have an exact link to get to them if you all like how these wigs turn out when I install them and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna put the developer and stuff on the knots, and then I'll be right back just to show y'all the process. These are the wigs, and of course they are sitting here getting their knots bleached, and that is the developer. I don't have that much left, so I actually did just enough. I got two little packets of two little packets of BW2 powder and this, and I just eyeballed it honestly until I made it a pretty good consistency where it won't be too thick and it takes forever to bleach it, and then it won't be too wormy where it runs through the lace. And as I can see, the knots on these wigs are very easy to bleach. I'm looking at this wig now and I can see the knots lifting. So in about 6 minutes or so, I'm gonna come back and check them, and I'm gonna rinse them out. More than likely, I'm gonna use my Pantene and Cantu conditioner and then go back through with shimmer lights to knock out of the brassiness on the lace. So yeah, I just wanted to come back and show you all how it looks after 8 minutes is up, and I'm gonna wash these wigs. I'll be back with you all to let you all see how it looks after it's co-washed. Okay, so I decided to add a clip where I was, you know, rinsing it out and stuff with the shimmer lights and your preferred shampoo and conditioner, and I was just basically showing y'all how it looked wet. Like, the knots actually came out really good. I didn't over bleach them or anything like that. It wasn't too brassy, so that's good. And the smell went away, but it still was, it was there, but it was faintly there. The lace, I don't know, it was weird because some of their lace was thinner than others, So yeah, you might want to watch out for that and hope you just look up, or when you order it, make sure you tell them you want thin lace, because some lace was thicker than others, and that means it's going to be harder to work with, or harder to melt. As you can see in the sink, it's a couple of strands of hair, but I wasn't too worried about that because your real hair shed. So as long as it's not balls and globs of hair, then you cool. So I wasn't, the hair shedding part, that's good. Nothing too major. The hair was super soft, I must admit. And as for like the texture, loose deep wave, I actually never worked with loose deep wave before. And right here is the finished product. I was showing you all basically just some of the dance team's hair when I installed it, and they wanted to go for the dramatic baby hairs in the middle part, so I achieved that for them. And to get the nice little natural wet look, I didn't use water because I felt like it would have oversaturated it and it wouldn't have got the the loose wave look. So I just used some mousse and like balled it up with my hands while I rubbed the mousse through it, and it turned out perfectly. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll let you all look at the rest of these clips of my clients and let me know what you all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Bring your whole squad +3.